Hey, I'm going to start this video with an apology to people who watched the previous edit of the video. When I first had these valves, I didn't realize how they came apart, and I was explaining to people to take this top grey bit off and replace one of the seals under there. I've since realized just recently that you can actually remove the whole valve. It will twist off just from this point under here, and so I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's completely simple. All you need to do is to twist this section anti-clockwise off of here, and it will come straight out. The valve also comes with a little spigot here, which is designed for a tube comes with it. So the tube squirts in there, and it means that the water, instead of coming straight out of here, it goes down the tube. You can put it down into your cistern. In American models, this can go down the tube into the overflow tube, so it squirts water down into the S bend of your toilet. In Australia, we don't need that, so you can just put that on and leave it in the water. I'll take that on just for simplicity, and I'll just show you this coming off. So I'll grasp this firmly. If this is in your tank already, you can't get at it, then that's okay. You can just twist this, so just twist it anti-clockwise. As this is out, I'll just twist this and it comes out. Now you notice this little spigot here, that locks into this little piece here. So when you're putting it back on, you need to put it in, get that in position, and that will twist back into that spot. Now as it comes off, what you'll find is a little seal. Let's just come off there, and this seal has a little lip. You can just see it there on one side. The other side, not so much. Now that lip needs to face upwards. Okay, so when you're putting this back on, you put your seal, your little lip facing upwards, put your seal on, and you need to line your spigot up with this, so it's on the clockwise side. When you turn it clockwise, it'll click back in. Make sure you, oops, a little bit tricky. Make sure your seal sits on the top. Under there, by the way, is your diaphragm. So there's a new diaphragm will go in. That you can replace it with your old one, but since you're replacing the whole thing, it can just stay there, and you put it onto your old tube. So this goes in. Just be very careful as you slide it in. The little spigot sticking out here. Line that up into position, and that should spin clockwise back into place, and that's it. There's your valve. Now at the bottom, if you want to adjust for height, there's a little grey clip there, so you simply get your thumbnail or a bit of a screwdriver and lever that up and outwards, and then you pop this clip down so it comes out. When we put it back, we just put it back in the same way, so this bit goes in here. Okay, but while we've got it out, what we do then is we twist this anti-clockwise. Just twist this section anti-clockwise again, and it will now move up and down. When you get it to the desired height, twist it clockwise, and then just put your pin back in. Put your pin back in. Push it up, all the way up, so it's like a double click. It goes all the way up. You can see that, just like that. How it should be. Okay, and that's how you put your valve, your new valve into the old valve, if you can't get the bottom out, and you've got a whole new valve working again. Okay, thanks so much. I'll give you all the information down below in the description where to purchase the valve and anything else about the valve that you need to know. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.